Marilaki Camp! The camp that cares! Welcome to Camp Marilaki! The camp that cares!
Okay, mga pre, kwentuhan time tayo ngayon. So, kwento ko sa inyo, actually, ordinaryong camping trip lang namin to eh. But we didn't expect the turn of events na magiging adventure trip talaga yung pinagagagawa naming Caloocan this last 24, 25, and 26. We went to Marilaki Camp sa Tanay. And we're just expecting na magre-relax, chill, watching the sea of clouds in the morning, mag-swimming kunyari, tapos barbecue, chat a little bit, sleep, then larga na. But for some reason, although hindi talaga namin tinignan yung weather, we didn't expect na tataas yung ilog. Wow, grabe. Hindi namin inaasahan na may stranded kami doon kasi ang expected lang namin is 2 days and 1 night. Tapos aalis na kami doon. But since lumakas ang ulan, nagkaroon ng water current na sobrang lakas, nasira yung dinadaanan doon sa ilog kasi hindi naman siya kalsada dun sa dinaanan namin. Wow, nangyari doon is ginawa namin yung kalsada, tapos pinagtulungan namin makaalis yung mga sasakyan. Nagkaroon ng 4-wheel river crossing challenge doon sa Marilaki, as in live Marilaki 4-wheel challenge ang nangyari. So everyone, even though ang lakas ng ulan, at first they thought they're gonna be disappointed, but in the end everyone went home laughing and cheering na, oh, we went through this and it's all good. Kasi nga since malakas yung ulan, stranded kami, and the staff and the managers sa Marilaki, mababait, very accommodating, especially yung manager. I'm sorry sir, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nyo, but I really like the personality of your staff and everything. You gave us extended day na talagang hindi namin masasabing na disappoint kami. We're really happy, na-enjoy namin yung stay namin dyan sa camp nyo, and we really recommend this to our friends na kung gusto nilang magpunta dyan. The staffs are good, the place are very nice. There's a lot of activities na pwede nilang gawin. ATV, merong airsoft, merong soft archery. They can swim there, they can sightseeing and everything. So I really did enjoy staying in your place. So it's really fun. And the added thing na talagang nagpasaya sa amin is yung 4-wheel challenge crossing the river itself. It was fun. So guys, I hope you watch this video so you can see what I mean when I said there was 4-wheel river crossing challenge sa mga customer or clients na Marilaki Camp. And congratulations for 1 year na sa Marilaki Camp, and thank you for accommodating us. That's one. It says here Marilaki Camp. This way.
That's why I don't want to bring territory out here, because it's not made for this.
Yeah, I'm also thinking about this car. Okay, so right now we're trying to settle in. At may isang gagambang gustong ayusin, yung dapat ayusin. Nakasmile pa talaga.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Tasa! Energy ah! Energy! Grounding!
May ano nga din eh. Ano tawag din?
Kaya malabo mata ko eh.
Yung may pinapana ka para sa
Archery
Scoopy.
nga. Kaya nga sabi ko pwede din tayo mag-archery. Libre na yun.
Talaga sa akin.
Kasi first time. Eh hindi. Kasama na yung package ng 500.
Oh, mas mura tayo dito.
Kasi bago pa.
Akala ko meron silang soft drinks na sinasabi ko.
Meron mo ito, diba? Nasa video.
Ay, lobat na. Malayaya ng putik.
Mamaya?
Ay, sorry po, nautot ako.
Ito ba yun?
Mm-mm.
May babaan?
Meron oh. Oh. Panis.
Bueno.
Yes, meron.
Puso? Nananak yun.
Sige, hanggang sa makatawid ka. Lalim? Saan tayo? Feels like I'm walking in the rain. Yan, emote ka dyan. Ganda. So, ayun na nga. Binabagyo na kami. Charot. Hello!
Alright. Camping. Yan. Magkakaalaman na kung mababasa tayo sa pagtulog. What do you think of this camping, Bruce?
Wet.
So wet.
Remind me of my army days.
Ayun, ang aming tent nasa malayo. I'm not sure if that will last for the whole night rain. Ano, almusal na ba yan?
Matanghalian. Aga-aga may ano pa ba?
Ano yun? Breakfast in the rain. Di ba ate?
7:20.
Naks, talagang may accent po.
7:20.
Fast forward tayo from 7:20, alas 12 na ng tanghali ngayon nang makita namin ang ATV tumatawid sa loob o sa tubig na rumaragasa. Actually, meron kasing client na gusto nang umuwi. So, what they asked sa management is to provide some assistance regarding sa pagtawid na. So, the ATV guys, the professional ones, assisted them para makatawid yung gamit nila, tapos sila mano-mano tatawid sa ilog. Unfortunately, hindi ko nakunan yung part na yon na tumatawid sila, pero yung nakita lang natin sa video is yung ATV nga, ito nakita nyo tumatawid sila. It was fun actually, even though ang dahil nangyari, masaya pa rin eh. We like this kind of adventure, new things happens from time to time. Alright, second day ng aming camping. Dahil hindi kami makatawid, dito na kami. Isang linggo pa raw. Ano masasabi mo, Aling Osang? Isang linggo pa raw dito. Sabi mo? Isang linggo pa raw. Ano problema? Isang linggo pa tayo dito. Hindi pa bumababa ang ilog eh, oh. Hindi makatawid. Laki yung tubig, anong ilog? Okay, so it's 10:38 and it's already the second day and we're hoping na makakauwi kami, but the problem is mataas pa rin ang tubig. Ang problema is yung Everest na dala namin kaya sana. Problema, yung dala namin, yung kasama namin may kotse baka hindi makatawid because on this area itself medyo malalim, katuhod siya. So we're just waiting for the water na bumaba ng konti, ayan, para makauwi na po. So everyone is already exhausted. There's an old lady here sleeping. Quiet place already. Everyone's sleeping. Okay, so ngayon 12 midnight at may client na naman na gustong tumawid. Actually, tatawid sila. Iniwan nila yung van nila, yung service nila dito, and tumawag sila ng saklolo dun sa mga kaibigan siguro nila. Ang ginawa is sinundo sila sa kabilang side ng river, tapos tatawid sila, nagpa-assist sila sa mga sa mga staff doon sa camp. It's good thing here sa camp na to is because meron silang Starlink, meron silang internet, although wala ditong signal, since meron silang Starlink na internet ay ko-connect for free, na contact nila yung mga kakilala nila para sunduin sila on the other side of the river. So ang gagawin lang nila is tatawid sila and then that's it, kasi nagmamadali sila kasi may pasok pa sila. Kasi I had a chance na kausapin yung isang nilang kasama na talaga nagmamadali ng umuwi. Even though they wanna go home, the fact na they did stay for some time, nag-enjoy din naman sila. Everyone enjoyed staying here kasi may mga activities dito na kung anong gusto nyong gawin, pwede. Tapos yung scenery, it's really, really nice. Especially the cloud in the morning. Yung parang sea of cloud kumikilos. Napakagandang pagmasdan. Nakaka-relax talaga yung mata. Nakakawala ng pagod, nakakawala ng stress. I hope you can see this guys para ma-justify ko yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na napakaganda ng lugar. Early in the morning, wala kang iisipin kundi pagmasdan yung majestic view na nakita ko kanina.
Sama-sama na yan. Together. Yes.
Kamusta naman po yung pagluluto niyo?
Ayan.
Under the rain, under the umbrella.
Na hotdog and sinigang na bacon.
Tatanong ako, ano nakuha mong lesson ngayon?
Check the weather forecast before you plan.
Anong lesson mo today?
Accurate forecast.
After checking the forecast, you still want to go. What's the next step? Check your equipment. If it is waterproof.
Waterbed! Waterbed! Yung airbed naging waterbed.
Marilaki bayan na.
Actually, we're supposed to leave around 4 a.m. in the morning on the third day. Unfortunately, hinarang kami. Pinigilan kami ng one of the staff, I think it's a manager or something, na wag kaming tumuloy kasi nga may kotse kaming kasama na talagang mababalakaw ang sasakyan kapag mababa. Although meron kaming Everest, kayang Everest, but the rest pwedeng mabalakaw yun o yung ma-stack up sa tubig. So, nagpaubaya kami, hindi kami tumuloy kasi nga hindi ko na-check yung part na malalim kasi ako yung nag-check ng yung area kung bumabaw na o yung current medyo nabawasan na. Unfortunately, kalahati lang ng area yung na-check ko tapos nagsabay ko na sige na, tuloy na natin. Buti na lang hindi kami tumuloy kasi meron ang isang gustong sumabay sa amin na kotse lang.
Hello guys, we're gonna see people carrying a bike to the other side of the river.
Pare ko, yakang-ya ka ba? Yakang-ya! Maning-mani! Mga nakangiti pa eh!
Oh, malalim na yan! Ayan, lagyan mo! Ay, may mga pinagpunta.
What can you say about the bayanihan type of helping one another? Because that's what you call bayanihan already. A traditional helping hand of Filipinos. No comment. If I throw you there, are you going to float? Or are you going to drown? A or B?
Ay, totoo ba? Totoo?
Lalaban na, lalaban. Oh, bubuhatin nyo daw, pare ko eh.
Sakay lang muna.
Go, go!
Game, game, game. Oh. Someone's gonna attempt.
Okay.
Oh, ngiti mo na, maano. Nice one. Right. Another brave soul. O pare, ngiti muna. Walang huling habilin. Sigurado ka, ngiti muna, walang huling habilin. Wala talaga. Ay, mali! Kaya yan! Ah! One, two, three! Sige ba? Tingnan mo baka may nakalso. Dito sa likod, sa dalawang likuran. Baka may nakalso. Wala. Oh, ready? Tulak ulit. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Sinelas ko kinamali. Ano yan, ihilahin na to, pare koy. Failed attempt. Snap. Sumablay yung urban van, itutulak ng backhoe. He failed the challenge. Huling masasabi mo bago wala ka bang ihahabilin?
Wala.
Kaya yan. Bye-bye.
Ako sa pala ako.
Pasalubong! Pwede na?
May pick yan kay kuya.
Pare, any last words?
Down! Up! Sheesh! Basic
Kasi ang laki ng gulong niya eh.
Grabe.
Nahugasan, free car wash. Ano, una na kami. Okay, next. Right. Here we go. Good job, Uncle Bruce. Move that car.
How are we gonna move it?
They're moving now. Look.